Hello, and welcome back to Coca English, the podcast where we explore one single word and find a whole universe inside it. I'm your host, Layla.
And I'm Sam. It's great to have you here with us. We love words and we love talking about them. We believe that if you really understand one word, you can understand 100 different situations.
That's right, Sam. And today we have a very special, very useful, and very green word for you.
A green word? Is it avocado?
No, Sam, not avocado, although I am a little hungry now. No, our word today is much more common. It's a word you can find in the city and in the countryside. It's a word for a space and also for a very, very long thing.
Oh, I think I know it. Is it yard?
Yes, it is. The word is yard. It sounds simple, right? But this little word has not one, not two, but three important meanings. And sometimes it can be a little confusing.
Don't worry, everyone. Layla and I are here to make it all very clear. So let's start with the first and maybe the most beautiful meaning of yard.
Meaning number one. A yard is a piece of land next to a house. It's like a small garden, but with more grass. It's your own little piece of the outdoors.
Exactly. In many countries, houses have a front yard and a backyard. The front yard is the space between your house and the street. People often have flowers and a small tree there.
And the backyard is the space behind the house. This is a more private space. This is where you can play with your children, or have a picnic with friends, or just sit and read a book in the sun.
I love my backyard. On sunny weekends, I like to sit in my backyard and drink coffee. It's very peaceful.
That sounds lovely. My backyard is not so peaceful. My dog, Buster, loves to run in the backyard. He runs very fast from one side to the other. He thinks the yard is his personal sports field.
So a yard can be for people and for animals. It's a great place to be outside without going to a park. So if you have a house with a yard, you are very lucky.
But wait, Sam, that's not the only kind of yard. What about a school?
Ah, good point. A schoolyard is the open area around a school building where students can play during their breaks. So it's the same idea, an open area next to a building, but it's for a school.
So, meaning number one, an area of land next to a building, usually with grass. Easy. Now, are you ready for meaning number two? This one is very different.
This one is not about grass and trees. This one is about work and big machines.
The second meaning of yard is a place where people build or repair things. It's an area used for a special kind of work. For example, a shipyard is a place where people build ships.
Imagine a very big area near the sea. There are large ships and workers and lots of noise. That's a shipyard.
And what about a railway yard or a train yard? This is a place where trains are kept when they are not working and where people repair them.
So a yard can be an industrial area. It's not a beautiful garden. It's a practical place for work. It's funny how the same word can mean a quiet garden and a noisy place with trains, isn't it?
It is funny. English is full of surprises. But we have one more surprise for you. The third meaning of yard. Meaning number three. A yard is a unit for measuring length.
Now, this is important for people who use the imperial system. A yard is a little less than 1 meter. To be exact, 1 yard is 0.9144 meters. So it's almost a meter.
We use yards to measure things that are quite long. For example, if you go to a shop to buy cloth for a dress, the seller might ask, "How many yards do you need?"
Or in American football, the players need to move the ball 10 yards. So you often hear sports commentators say, "He needs 5 more yards."
So, how long is a yard? A simple way to remember is this. From your nose to the end of your outstretched hand, that distance is about 1 yard. Go on, try it.
I'm trying it now. Layla, I think my arm is a little short.
Well, it's approximately 1 yard. It's a good way to imagine it.
So, to review, we have a green yard, a work yard, and a measurement yard. 3 different meanings for one small word.
Now, how do we know which yard people are talking about? The secret is in the context, the other words around it.
Great point, Layla. If someone says, "The children are playing in the yard," you know they mean the garden area next to a house.
If someone says, "My father works in a shipyard," you know it's a place for building ships.
And if someone says, "I need 3 yards of blue cloth," you know they are talking about measurement.
It's all about the company the word keeps. Listen to the other words, and your brain will understand the correct meaning.
Our word yard is very old. It comes from the Old English word jeered, which meant an enclosure or a piece of land. So the first meaning is the oldest.
And the measurement? They say King Henry I of England decided that a yard should be the distance from his nose to his thumb. So, Sam, your arm isn't short. It's just not a king's arm.
I guess not. So there you have it. The word yard is small, but it has a big job. It can talk about your home, your work, and how you measure the world.
We hope you enjoyed this little trip into the world of yard. It's a very useful word to know.
Now, we have a mission for you. We want you to practice. In the comments below this video, we want you to write a sentence using the word yard.
You can write about your dream house with a big backyard, or you can write about a time you saw a train in a railway yard, or you can tell us how many yards of something you would like to buy. Be creative.
We read all your comments, and we love to see your sentences. It helps you remember, and it makes us very happy.
So thank you for listening. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Coca English for more word adventures.
Until next time, keep learning and keep smiling. Bye, everyone.
Goodbye!